More on cancer treatment breakthroughs. BioNTech, Bristol. Myers immunotherapy shows encouraging tumor shrinkage in Phase 2 trial. Reuters. BioNTech, Bristol. Myers immunotherapy shows encouraging tumor shrinkage in Phase 2 trial. 4 days ago, US FDA approved J's bladder cancer treatment. Reuters. US FDA approved J's bladder cancer treatment. 3 days ago, Russia's recently announced cancer vaccine. Enteromics is ready for clinical use. Will be made free to patients. The Times of India. Russia's recently announced cancer vaccine. Enteromics is ready for clinical use. Will be made free to patients. 4 days ago. Simple test can detect HPV-related head and neck cancers up to a decade before symptoms appear. The Scottish Sun. Simple test can detect HPV-related head and neck cancers up to a decade before symptoms appear. 2 days ago. Here are some of the latest major breakthroughs in cancer treatment, based on recent research and regulatory approvals. Promising breakthroughs in cancer treatment. 1. BN-327, pumitamig, next-gen immunotherapy for small cell lung cancer. BioNTech and Bristol Myers Squibb reported encouraging Phase 2 trial results for their novel immunotherapy BN-327, pumitamig, targeting small cell lung cancer. In combination with chemotherapy, 76.3% of the 38 patients experienced tumor shrinkage. The treatment demonstrated a manageable safety profile and is now progressing into Phase 3 trials. Reuters. 2. FDA approval of Inlexzo for non-muscle invasive bladder cancer. The US FDA has approved Inlexzo, TAR-200, a new drug delivery system for high-risk non-muscle invasive bladder cancer patients unresponsive to BCG and unsuitable for surgery. Administered intravesically over cycles, it led to over 82% of patients showing no signs of cancer after 3 months, with more than half remaining cancer-free for at least a year. Reuters. 3. Russia's mRNA-based cancer vaccine, Enteromics. Russia has introduced Enteromics, an mRNA-based cancer vaccine that stimulates the immune system to recognize and destroy cancer cells. It has entered clinical readiness and, upon approval, will be offered free to patients, signaling both therapeutic and accessibility advances. The Times of India. 4. HPV DeepSeek, ultra-early detection of HPV-related head and neck cancers. Researchers at Mass General Brigham developed a groundbreaking blood-based test named HPV DeepSeek that can detect HPV-related head and neck cancers up to a decade before symptoms, using whole genome sequencing of circulating tumor DNA. The test demonstrated 99% sensitivity and specificity, and a larger validation study is underway. The Scottish Sun. 5. Triple drug combo for advanced HR plus HER2 breast cancer. At the 2025 ASCO meeting, researchers unveiled results from the INAVO120 Phase 3 trial, combining targeted drugs inavolisib with palbociclib and hormone therapy fulvestrant significantly improved outcomes in PIK3CA mutant HR plus HER2 breast cancer. Outcomes included median overall survival, 34 months versus 27 months in control. Progression-free survival, 17.2 months versus 7.3 months. Nearly 2-year delay of chemotherapy for patients. ICR plus 1.6. Innovative TT fields plus immunotherapy plus chemotherapy for glioblastoma. A groundbreaking study at Keck Medicine, USC, reported that combining tumor-treating fields, TT fields, a non-invasive electric field therapy, with immunotherapy, pembrolizumab, and chemotherapy, temozolomide, significantly boosted survival in patients with glioblastoma, one of the most aggressive brain cancers. TT fields appear to enhance immune cell infiltration and potentiate immunotherapy's effects. Science Daily Summary Table. Type of cancer approach, therapy. Key outcomes: small cell lung cancer BNT-327, immunotherapy plus chemo, 76% tumor shrinkage in Phase 2. Bladder cancer, NMIBC, Inlexzo, gemcitabine delivery system, 82% disease-free at 3 months, and GT, 50% at 1 year. Various, Russia, Enteromics mRNA vaccine, mRNA-based immunotherapy, free access planned. HPV-related head and neck cancer HPV Deep-Seek blood test, detects cancer up to 10 years early, 99% accuracy. Our plus HER2 breast cancer inavolisib plus palbociclib plus fulvestrant plus 7 months survival, plus 10 months PFS, delays chemo by approximately 2 years. Glioblastoma TT Fields